Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, Sasha here. Welcome back to the channel, and today is a very exciting one. I am going to do a quick first impression of the new Sailor Kylie bundle. And if you guys know, if you follow my Instagram or you just know me in general, or you can look over there, I absolutely love Kylie's product. So I was quite beyond excited to get this particular bundle, and I bought the whole bundle because I really just love the artwork. I love pinup style. So when I saw this, I was like, oh, I think I'm getting it more for the packaging than I am for the actual makeup inside. But it looked absolutely stunning, so I was like, I have to get this. So first note though, I'm gonna mention, you do not get that beautiful thing she displayed on her Instagram. Apparently I found out that is just a PR box and you can't even purchase it, which kind of sucks because, to be honest, I don't really buy a lot of her big bundles. I usually buy her products individually, or like the lip kit sets or just like that. So when I found out it was just a PR thing, I was actually kind of bummed because, I mean, it's beautiful packaging, and it kind of just bummed me out. So no, right off the bat, you are not gonna get that big box if you decide to get the whole bundle. So with that being said, let's get on into it. Okay, I wanna say this right now, I am not a beauty expert at all. I am not a Jeffree Star. I am not a whatever the other guy's name is. Manny, MUA or whatever. I just wear makeup for fun. I don't even think I do my makeup that great, but I'm not a makeup artist whatsoever. So this is just a review from someone just a basic girl who just likes to play around with makeup. So just know I'm not gonna know anything like this is good quality mink lashes or something like that. Like, I'm just not gonna know that. I don't even wear lashes. So let's start out with the first thing, which is Kiss Me Sailor, and it retails for $29. First of all, look at that packaging. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. Like, gorgeous. Oh, I can't even get over just the packaging. It's gorgeous. It's really pretty in person as you think it would be. Really pretty color. I'm really excited to try this combination, especially because I love lip stuff. This is a lot browner, if you can see, but it's still pretty, and I'm pretty positive it's gonna go really pretty. It's gonna pair really nicely with, oh my god, I just love her stuff because it's so smooth. Like, it goes on so smooth. The next one is the Private Island gloss, and look, it's just really cute little anchor packaging. It's so pretty. This one retails for $16. Obviously for a gloss, I think that's like kind of pricey. I mean, I don't think I've ever paid like $16 for one particular gloss, but this is so pretty. It's not as red as you think it is. It's actually kind of transparent because it's a gloss, but it's a red gloss. It's really pretty. It smells really good. That's like one of the first things I noticed. I don't know if you guys smell your products, but I'm weird. Especially I like smelling stuff that goes on my lips. Oh my god, that smells really pretty. But that's kind of it. The next thing is her new product, which is lashes, and it's in this style Shady. This retails for $18. I have never worn a pair of lashes in my life. I just don't wear fake lashes. I was blessed and lucky by my mom to get really long lashes on the top and bottom, so I just never touch them. Everybody tells me not to try it because it's gonna mess up my real lashes. I'm excited to try these out. It says that they're reusable. I don't know what that means. Like, I gotta figure out this whole lash thing. Like, do I wash them? How do I apply them with glue? Like, I don't know anything. Like, literally, I don't know anything about lashes. But they look really pretty. if I were to try lashes, it would definitely be something I would try because they're not so dramatic looking. I don't know what they're made of. All it says is synthetic natural blend, and all it says is that like it's reusable. So I guess for the price, if it's reusable, it makes sense, but it's still kind of pricey for lashes. The next thing is also new. It's her Shadow Stick Duo. And this is the same thing, really cute packaging, has the little life rafts. And this one retails for $18. Now I notice these shadow sticks are like making a trend, and I think they're pretty. To me, it's cool. Makes it probably a lot easier to apply your makeup in a quick fashion. Oh my goodness gracious, that is gorgeous. What color is this? Rock the Boat. Oh my, that is really pretty. It's that last one right there. Oh my goodness, that is really pretty. Now the things I like about this one is it does have the thing at the bottom where you can twist it up. I've had some shadow sticks before where you couldn't do that, and I didn't know if you could sharpen them. I think I ended up throwing them away because I didn't even know like how to review. Oh, they're so, how are her products so soft? And that last gold color is Sandy Cheeks. The last thing is, of course, her Sailor eye palette. Now this is the thing that I was mainly excited for, was this in the lip kit. Just the outer box packaging itself is gorgeous. This retails for $44, which is not a surprise because all of her palettes are usually that expensive. Oh my gosh, wow. Oh, the side is gold. Oh my, look at the side of that. It's gold. How gorgeous is this? And let me get that little thingy out the way so you could see what it looks like. This is absolutely gorgeous. All of these colors are definitely something I would wear, so I don't mind spending the $44 on this particular palette. So, and I love the detail on the mirror. It has like a little, you guys can see that little gold like outside of a lifeboat, life raft. But yeah, that's the packaging. It's pretty. If you decide to get the whole bundle, it's $115 with tax and shipping. I paid $125 for the whole bundle, which to me is a really good deal. I don't really spend a lot on makeup. When I do like to splurge. And like I said, the only reason why I bought this particular set was mainly because of this. I love the packaging. I can try to recreate some nice like easy go-to looks with this. Like I said, I'm not too crazy with my makeup. I kind of have just like a few go-to styles that I stick with. But yeah, if you guys want to stick around and check some of those looks out. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, wherever it's at on the bottom, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to go to my Instagram. I think that's all of my shameless plugs I gotta do. Pretty sure that's all of them. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Peace.